What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Well, we have big news today. There's a new rideshare app that has recently launched and is recently taking off, and a lot of people are talking about this app being way better than Uber, way better than Lyft, treating their drivers better, and actually paying more money, like expenses for your car. So we're gonna dive into that, but before I do, I wanted to thank our sponsor, Solo. Solo is an incredible business app for drivers, helping you manage your income, manage your expenses, manage your taxes as a gig worker, and also providing guaranteed pay when you go out and drive. Now, as a special thank you for us and for you watching, when you use our link, our viewers will get $10 for signing up for free, literally downloading the app and linking your gig account. You can do it in 30 to 60 seconds. And yeah, check out Solo, link below. You won't regret it, and let's dive in. So this one is actually something that I recently found on TikTok or YouTube. So let's get started.
Move aside Uber and Lyft. Revel is changing the rideshare game.
So it's called Revel.
I'm not getting paid, but Revel gets the Your Rich BFF seal of approval because this rideshare company is finally looking out for its workers. While brands like Uber and Lyft have largely benefited from the gig economy where their drivers are considered contractors instead of employees, Revel is paying their workers a salary.
Salary! Look at that. Starting pay up to $23 an hour salary, and you get to drive a motherfucking Tesla, brother! Gosh, Teslas are beautiful, by the way. I love Teslas. I love them and I hate them. I wouldn't buy one myself, but I love like drive. One of my best friends, Kevin. You guys know Kevin. He's been on the channel from the very beginning. Kevin was my first filmer ever on the channel. Anyways, shout out Kevin. He drives a Tesla, and I get to drive it. Every time we hang out, he's like, "Bro, here, be the driver," because he knows how much I love it.
To $23 an hour, meaningfully above minimum wage. They're paid for hours driven instead of number of trips. Revel is also offering health insurance and paid time off. And the cherry on top, drivers get to drive a Revel-owned blue Tesla instead of paying for their own rental car and
That's so sick! They literally get to drive a Tesla with no lease payments or insurance?
For maintenance. As a rider, a clean Tesla is a lot cooler than a smoky Toyota Camry.
Oh,
Rideshare is
burn.
currently only available in beta in New York City, DC, Miami, and
Okay, it's only available in New York City, Washington, D.C., San Francisco, and Miami. So, if you're in any of those areas, might be worth checking out.
But I really do hope they expand quickly. Drivers deserve to be paid a living wage, and this is a nice win for the driver and the rider. Move aside Uber.
Very interesting. It's a bright blue Tesla. Very interesting. So, I want to know your thoughts on this, guys. Do you think, would you sign up to drive for this app? Do you think there's a new app that needs to take over Uber and Lyft? We've seen the countless stories of Uber and Lyft in the headlines, and Uber and Lyft treating drivers poorly, not paying enough. There was a recent study came out that showed that Uber and Lyft drivers only make $6.20 per hour after expenses. So anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. Check out Solo with our link below. So if you are a driver for any of the gig apps, you can get guaranteed pay when you do go out and drive. And again, they will send you $10 for using our link below and linking your gig account. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.
No, this is not an ad. I'm not getting paid, but Revel gets the